That era is over. The 3D printers launching for 2026 are a quantum leap forward. We're talking about printers that are smarter, faster, and more reliable than anything we've seen before. We've spent months with the latest machines from Bambu Lab, Prusa, Creality, and more. We've pushed them to their absolute limits with insane overhangs, tiny details, and high-speed benchmarks. And after thousands of hours of printing, one machine didn't just win the speed test or the quality test, it won the war. Stay right here, because what we're about to show you will change what you think is possible with a desktop printer. All the product links are in the video description. Number 1. Original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwaches 3D Printer Kit. The original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwaches is a top-tier 3D printer in today's market, blending cutting-edge technology with user-centric design. Its 32-bit connected architecture and Nextruder extruder enable high-speed printing, reducing print times by up to 70% compared to its predecessor. The automatic first-layer calibration, which uses a load cell sensor, eliminates the need for manual adjustments, addressing a common frustration among users. However, the printer's advanced features and higher price point may deter beginners, budget-conscious buyers, or curiosity-seeking consumers. Despite this, the MK4's versatility shines through its ability to handle various materials, from standard PLA to more challenging filaments like flex and nylon. Number 2. Dremel DigiLab 3D45. This Dremel model is a favorite among not only advanced professionals, but first-time consumers as well. Its popularity is due to high-speed printing capabilities and the details that it can print. At $2,000, it is one of the pricier models included here, but could be considered a bargain for those looking for superior print quality. The printer has other perks. It's quiet and easy to use. Print from USB, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or USB thumb drive. Not an entry-level option, it is instead a solid choice for those looking to upgrade their 3D printer or invest in quality from the outset. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Sometimes you just want to unpack a printer and start making things right away. The Ender 3v2, our previous product, came close to being that option, taking under 10 minutes to set up in my tests. Since it is out of stock, we selected a next-generation version which also offers easy setup. Like the V2, the V3 comes mostly pre-assembled, which is not common for many other models in this price range. Number 4. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro. The Adventurer 5M Series 3D printer is an appealing package for beginners who are entering the world of 3D printing. Its one-click automatic printing feature simplifies the often daunting bed leveling process, ensuring consistent results without manual adjustments. The printer's easy-to-operate design extends to its rapid nozzle changes and multiple platform options, catering to various skill levels and project needs. While the 12x ultra-fast printing capability may be more than novices want or require, it provides room for growth. The real-time app monitoring adds convenience, allowing users to oversee prints remotely. Number 5. Archie Technology Max 3 3D Printer. The Chi offers great quality for what you pay. This model's polished design stands out from many other inexpensive 3D printers, delivering high-quality printed models to match. You'll also get features not found on other, more budget-minded printers, including the ability to print large sizes. It comes with excellent documentation to get you printing quickly. The print volume of this machine is 12.8 inches by 12.8 inches by 12.4 inches. Now I'm turning it over to you. What's the first thing you would print with our number 1 pick? Let me know your most ambitious project idea in the comments below. If this exhaustive test helped you find your next perfect printer, please support the channel, hit that like button, share this with your maker friends, and subscribe with the notification bell on. We're just getting started exploring the future of creation. Thanks for watching.